back to another episode, guys. Check out this weather. Jeez, mint. I'm supposed to glass off after. I think I might get the kayak out, go for a bit of a squid. But in the meantime, not long ago, remember Dane from our Air Peninsula videos, Mr. 150 himself, his missus, Mika, good friend of mine, she come and stole my GoPro, and her and her friend Dee headed west. They went and did a Trepid tour for a couple of weeks. Went and visited Karijini and Ningaloo Reef. And yeah, they got some epic footage of whale sharks, humpback whales, all those sorts of things, and I'm really, really jealous because I quite made it that way to do it yet. So we'll check out some of that footage now, and I'll see you back here shortly.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Bloody cool, some of that footage, eh? Super jealous. Anyway, I hope next year I'll make it there. Too many other trips planned, but anyway. That's it. Quick little upload. Thought I'd show you that footage that Meek's got, which is stunning. Yeah, I'm gonna go catch up with some of the crew. In the meantime, I reckon next week I'm gonna drop a video of me and the siblings heading up to Darwin. We did a big trip up there and took our father's ashes back to his old fishing spot, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, for now that's it. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more. Alright gang, see you soon.